This video is brought to you by Sporlin, quality, integrity, tradition, and Solderweld, bringing innovative brazing products to the HVAC industry with training and support like no one else. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to drop in here. It's been a little over a week since I put out a video. I did do my first live stream last night or Thursday night, so that was great. I didn't know what to expect out of that, if it was something I'd even know how to do correctly. Looking back at the video, looks like, you know, a couple times my cell reception kind of froze the screen and stuff like that, which kind of sucks, but I'm not really sure what you can do to improve that. We had about 60 people in there, so that was awesome. And the questions kept rolling in. I thought I'd be on there for about 15 minutes because I really just kind of wanted to show off the new van I just got, but it turned into like an hour and a half. So that was fantastic. It's something I'll do, I think from now on. I'll start doing those live streams a little more, do some hangout type stuff in the backyard or wherever, really. Just an awesome laid back Friday, guys. I just figured I'd take you along and take this opportunity to thank everybody who has participated and subscribed to this channel in the last like 6 months. I did thank everybody last night in the live stream, but in case you guys weren't present for that, I did cross the 10K line a week ago, and actually we're coming up on 10-7, so 11's going to be right around the corner, and it just blows me away. This I would consider my channel pretty light when it comes to, you know, the material, the content, right? So I'm not a wizard, an HVAC super tech, master tech, anything. I mean, I'm a pretty average tech. I don't hold myself or put myself on a pedestal whatsoever. I just like to make entertaining videos, and if I can keep everybody hyped up that is looking to maybe get into the trade, that's something I think I can handle. We're on that mad dash to the end of summer here, so we're at that kind of peak here from where I'd say in another, you know, maybe 2 weeks, you're going to start to see that slow kind of decline into fall, and the business kind of follows. We got really lucky. We got this huge break this week from the summer weather. It had a very fall feel, and it's given me an opportunity to shoot a little bit and catch my breath. I just got 2 calls today, and so far, one was already dead simple, very quick. Love those calls. Leaking Schrader core. Right now I'm heading to my next call. It's a remote site. It's in the middle of a tobacco farm, and it's a cell phone tower with a little cooling unit on it. My God, guys, I'm late to the party on getting these new vans, but I just got this Ford Transit 250, and this might as well be a Cadillac. Super excited.
ridiculous.
Well, that turned into a huge cluster. That wasn't even worth filming. That just turned into a big tech support argument. Anyways, bottom line, that Dynotherm, whatever that unit is, I've never worked on one. If any of you guys have, let me know in the comments. I guess they're out of Germany or something, but bottom line, the unit sounded like this. And as I drive away now, it sounds like this. And just a lot of bullshit in between. Not even worth showing you guys. Besides, I wish I had my GoPro. It didn't work out to shoot that with one hand. Especially since that manufacturer decided to use Torx bits for the whole unit. And not just using Torx bits, but using security Torx bits. And not just using security Torx bits, but using 3 different sizes. Very stupid. But anyways, guys, it's Friday for me now. I'm heading home for the weekend. Can't wait to get it started. And I don't want to let that little call there just take away from the whole point of what this video was about, which was to thank everybody for the 10K. I don't know what's in store for the future with the channel. I've got some great sponsors now for the content and a few more that are potentially on deck. So we'll see what happens between here and 20K. I'd love to do some more features on other people rather than filming myself, just with how hard it is to do that in a lot of the facilities I find myself in. But if I had time to travel and get some of these other guys doing different stuff, I think that'd be a really cool thing for you guys to see and for me to experience. And as far as the world of audio goes, let's just leave it at, we'll see what happens there. That world is already covered very well by guys, you know, like Zach Ciota, Brian Orr, Tool Pros Podcast, Bill Spohn, Gary from HVAC Know-It-All, Mike Mayberry, Tersh Blissett, and of course the newest one in our trades lineup of podcasts, HVAC Uncensored. So is there room for one more? I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. But in the meantime, videos got me plenty busy, and I'm having a blast doing it. Stay tuned again for part 2, or in reality it'll be the first video that actually is a detailed tour of the service van. That was just kind of a sneak peek yesterday with just a handful of modifications I made. I've already done a bunch more since that live stream. I stayed up pretty late last night, and I'll be going into the weekend, so stay tuned for that, for some ideas. Hopefully you get some you can apply yourself. And until then, guys, you know the drill. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Appreciate the 10K, guys. It means the world. And we'll see you on the next one.